Welcome to Tourism Talks. Today we are going to discuss on tourism and carrying capacity. Subscribe, like, share and comment. What is mean by carrying capacity? Simply, it is the number of organisms that an ecosystem can sustainably support. In other words, it is the maximum number of people that a region can support, with the available basic resources and without affecting anything negatively. Tourism Carrying Capacity or TCC. According to UNWTO, tourism carrying capacity is the maximum number of people that may visit a tourist destination at the same time, without causing destruction of the physical, economic, socio-cultural environment, and an unacceptable decrease in the quality of visitors' satisfaction. Let's discuss on different types of carrying capacity. Physical carrying capacity. It is the maximum number of people that a destination can actually able to support. This includes the number of locals, tourists, and others in the destination. Formula for physical carrying capacity per a day equals to area in meters squared multiplied by visitors per meter and daily duration. Economic carrying capacity. The maximum number of tourists that can be welcomed comfortably without facing any economic problem at the destination. It is also used to describe the point at which the increased revenue brought by tourism development is overtaken by the inflation caused by tourism. Environmental or biophysical carrying capacity. The maximum number of tourists that can be adjusted without harming the environment, earth, or biological community of the tourist destination. Social carrying capacity. The maximum number of tourists that a destination can accept without any social interruption. Reduced visitor enjoyment and increased crime are also indicators of when the social carrying capacity has been exceeded. Perceptual carrying capacity. The maximum number of tourists a destination can welcome before the quality of experience of tourist encounter starts to be unfavorably influenced. Infrastructure carrying capacity. The maximum number of tourists that can be adjusted comfortably by the infrastructure available at the particular destination. Subscribe the channel for more updates, like, share and comment. Thank you for watching.